What sort of additional supplies are very handy and necessary when you are eco printing in the dirty pot? By this, I mean supplies other than your pot itself, your heat source, your fabric, and your vegetation. Well, first, you're going to need some string to tie your bundles tightly with. And I love to use t-shirt yarn, but you can use any strong, natural string that will not break if you give it a really good pull. I like to reuse my string time and time again. And it's important to have something that is not too thin, otherwise, it will rot very quickly. In fact, after my t-shirt yarn totally rots, I just put it on the compost heap. But I get many, many sessions from one cone of yarn. So you will need some extra vinegar if you are working with protein-based fabrics, because I like to sprinkle the fabric, and you will find that if you sprinkle your protein-based fabric with vinegar, it will also enhance the prints that you can achieve. And for this reason, a sprinkler is very handy, just a little top that goes onto maybe a pop or a soda bottle. Or if you are a felt maker, you can use a ball browser. That's a sprinkler that it has a bulb at the bottom, a long stem and a little head, and you turn it upside down when you are felting to wet out your fiber. Barbecue tongs, or fire tongs, in fact, are very, very handy for lifting your bundles in and out of the pot. Personally, I like long fire tongs the best because they are the easiest to deal with if I have bigger pots and I don't have to put my hand so far down into the pot liquid. You're going to need some sharp scissors. I like to have some rags or hand towels to hand, optional disposable gloves. Personally, I don't like using them, but I do have them in my studio in case I have somebody visiting who has a cut on their hand or who would prefer to use gloves. Buckets and bowls, a face mask, and obviously you need a table or the floor to work on. So those are really just the essential supplies: string, scissors, a few buckets, some old towels, and some vinegar. And that's it, as well as the obvious fabric, vegetation, pot, and cooker. That's all you need for eco printing.